What are your ideal clients trying to achieve and why is it hard for them? This is a question I got from copywriter Lauren Van Mullum. So let me repeat that. What are they trying to achieve and why is it hard for them? So your clients, if you're offering a service, they're going from island A to B. Yeah, they want to get to island B where there's some result that they're craving. That's what they're trying to achieve. Trying to, be pain-free. No headaches. I'm trying to get married. I'm trying to get divorced. I'm trying to try polyamory. I'm trying to figure out how to sleep better. I'm trying to figure out how to clear up my skin. I'm trying to figure out how to deal with this health condition. All these things. People are trying to do something. There's a specific result they're trying to achieve, but it's hard for them. Yeah? So here's that. So the what are they trying to achieve question gives you island B. But the why is it hard for them gives you a little bit about the point of view, about the journey from A to B. Why is it hard, do you think? And there's two levels of this. Why? Why do they think it's hard? But also the number two, why do you think it's hard? Yeah, there's their take on it, and then there's your take on it. And it's good to really sit with both. This is a great little journaling exercise. What is it they're trying to achieve? And by the way, what are they trying to achieve? Not what do I want them to have, not to what do I think they need. What are they trying to achieve? What are they going for? And then why do they think it's hard? If you were to ask them like, hey, you've been trying to achieve this for a while and it hasn't worked out. Why do you think that is? What would your ideal client say? What do you hear them say? But then number two, why do you think? Do you think they've got the diagnosis right? Or do you think they've got a blind spot and they're missing something? Somebody might say, yeah, I guess I'm just not working hard. I'm not that good at marketing myself. And I might say, or maybe you just don't have a niche. You don't have a point of view. Haven't got your business model figured out. No hubs. Maybe you're not supposed to be good at marketing yourself either. Maybe you're supposed to make it easier for other people, the people who love you, to promote you. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? I might actually disagree with their analysis. Well, I'm not a good enough person. I'm not working hard enough. I'm being punished by God for this. They may have an analysis, a reason that they're struggling to achieve that result that you disagree with. So it's a killer set of questions. What are they trying to achieve and why is it hard for them? I'd love to hear your answers in the comments below. And thank you so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone.